How to see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Snapchat, then click on your profile located at top left. Click on settings located at top right corner of your screen. In here, click on Snapchat Plus. After you click on Snapchat Plus, you'll find subscribe option, click on it. Then subscribe to Snapchat Plus. As you can see, there is story rewatch option to see how many friends have rewatched your story. You also get that feature. Press on next and subscribe to Snapchat Plus. As you can see, there is an article of Snapchat. You can see their rewatch in this way. As you can see, if people have screenshotted the story, and this is how to see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.